All right, boys.
What in the sugar honey iced tea is that?
You know, we're not too sure. So here you go.
All right. Unidentified meats. Great.
I had a lot of salt.
If it helps, it smells good.
Okay. Here you go.
Oh,
What are you smoking?
I think it's fine. I think it's good.
what is this?
We don't know.
This looks like cat food. Oh,
I'm assuming this is gonna be some coffee type.
Definitely smells like kind of coffee-ish, maybe.
No, it's very sweet. I smelled it from the bag.
Oh god, doesn't smell good at all.
This I gotta peel, but I'm not gonna just take a bite out of this. Okay.
Yeah, like check the cross section. It has like looks like spackle.
I was gonna say, where'd you get this book? Japan. Okay. All right. Let's see.
Y'all gonna say
tastes
it?
like wood.
Yeah. I'm getting like a wood chip flavor.
Who the fuck would? If I could read and knew make this,
Is that it tastes like tea?
It could be a tea flavor. We're not too sure.
Well,
Nah, that. Oh god.
literally tastes like hot water.
It's not bad. The smell would turn most people off, but I'll give it a maybe.
So, just,
Wood and hot water.
can you give me something better? Something sweet? Done with this.
I'm assuming you're wondering why we gathered you.
Alex, the other better Alex, the other Alex is gone for undisclosed reasons that I'm not responsible for knowing. So, we got this guy.
I'm alone now, and we had to let the other guy go.
Hold on. Wait a minute. What the?
So they kept us in separate rooms. I did not plan this, but
What the?
well, this is gonna have to change.
I have some hojicha tea flavor.
Told you what?
It's tea flavor. Let's go with that. My Japanese isn't the best.
What's your
like
what's
a
your
gold
thing with
ticket.
fruit and tea?
What is this?
Hojicha tea.
Don't
I'm
insult me.
pronouncing that.
Don't insult me like that ever again.
See, when you say it in a different language, I don't understand what it is.
The tea ones, I will say, they've all been very good so far. Like the fruit ones have been like hit or miss, but the tea ones have always been consistently good in my opinion.
This looks like something I made in ceramics. I didn't like ceramics.
Perpendicular. Oh yeah, let's. Oh. Oh. I don't like tea. The matcha was my favorite, surprisingly.
If you like tea, like this is like yeah, it's not. I like it. I like it. Like 'em.
I can probably do like one.
Oh, you can have more than one
Yeah,
of those.
no.
You
Yeah.
can have more than one in a lot of these, I think. But
It's good for a tea thing. I mean,
Yeah.
I got one right, so I'm picky. So this makes the third one I accepted. So you're doing good.
yeah, this is good. I like it.
Tastes like shitty coffee. But you know what?
That's what tea
I like
is.
my coffee like I like my women. I don't like coffee.
Yeah,
Alright,
that-
we're done with this.
That's gonna be a no from me, dog.
Well, look who just took over the channel. I took over Ed's channel. It's your boy Fonzie DeFalco. What's
Are
good?
you
What's
sure
good?
about that?
Oh Jesus! What's up, dude? Oh, fine.
Damn it.
So I'm back. Albert's back because you know the other Alex is a Patriots fan, and
Yeah,
you're
we
not
don't
gonna
like
you're not
those.
gonna see him anymore.
All right, boys.
We got
Here we got some sweet potato.
You've never had this one, so that's why you came in. We're doing it people who've never had it before, so you haven't had this.
I love
time.
sweet potato. I
Yeah.
have it like like actual sweet potato, not Kit Kat sweet potato.
Yeah,
I have sweet potato all the fucking time. So,
Yeah.
all
let's
right,
try.
let's go for it.
You're the host, so you gotta break the bread,
All right,
break the
ready?
sweet potato.
Cheers.
Chocolate and potatoes.
That's why.
You don't like it?
Not really, no.
I fucking love it. Now I hate it.
The first bite's weird.
Yeah, it is weird.
Yeah.
Does it taste like sweet potato?
No, I taste the sweet potato. It's just
It just tastes sweet to me. I don't think it tastes like
Well,
sweet potato.
at first it's not good, but as you're like, yeah,
I taste the sweet potato now. Yeah. Now I taste it.
yeah.
It is.
The first bite's weird.
It's
but then
not bad.
yeah.
It's not great.
It's alright.
I prefer regular Kit Kat.
Yeah, as you continue to chew, it just gets weirder and weirder, and it's just no.
Brings back repressed memories of Catholic school.
Really?
Yeah.
High school or middle school?
Middle school. Father Maxi.
Oh God, not again.
Thursdays, 5:30 p.m.
5:30 p.m. What the hell?
Yeah, that's a good thing. What were you doing in
Private school motherfucker.
So that's
Yo, why don't you call me a prep boy, motherfucker? Yeah, that's the end of it. It was pretty good. I like potatoes.
Oh, it had to come to this. I'm fucking staying here with you.
Yep.
Fuck you. All right, what's next,
All
Albert?
right, guys, we have raspberry.
Ooh.
raspberry.
raspberry?
Looks
Pinkish.
pink.
Looks like it would be like strawberry or something. I don't know.
Smells weird.
Shut the fuck up and eat it.
Why did you go low on that?
Sorry.
'Cause I can't control the volume of my voice.
Yeah, because you fucking
Fuck.
ass. Looks like a tongue. It's like
That's very, very sharp.
Oh,
That's a strong flavor there.
I like this one a lot. Yo, there's like a liquid in there. Not a liquid, maybe a liquid.
I think they might have put
Like
raspberry extract.
Like
in
actual
the milk.
raspberry, like pieces of it. And so,
I think
Dude, that is good.
that is actually pretty good.
move, idiot. Oh,
Ow! Ow! That fucking hurt. I'm fine.
that.
Oh,
Oh,
there's
no.
sharp stuff under here.
Oh,
It's
no,
very good.
I hated that. That tasted horrible. What was that?
Raspberry.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
I like the
Move
strawberry.
over, you
I'm
idiot.
dizzy from not having food. It's very good, but I like the. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
I like the strawberry better.
I don't think they care about your opinion.
I didn't
They just want
fucking
to see your
ask that you
goddamn
asked.
reaction. Get the fuck out of
Fucking
here.
you
No,
fucking
fuck you.
Santa hat.
Fuck you and your fucking
can't
dirty
wait a
ass
few more
fucking
fucking
hat.
days?
Yeah. No, I can't. It's fucking Christmas. Boy.
Well, guys, we're out of Kit Kats.
Thank God.
Yeah, seriously. Like, oh my God, that was never.
So did you guys have any that you liked? Anything you were indifferent on? Anything you outright hated?
I'll go for. All right, so I did like the apple pie, and the tea one was pretty good. What was the really bad one? The bean paste was gross, obviously.
Yeah.
What was the other bad ones? Strawberry was. Oh, the apple, the
I think
regular apple.
sake is one of the worst. Sake
I didn't even have the sake
is
yet.
just bitter.
Yeah.
You didn't have that.
That
one.
apple one, it just was strong smells.
Apple
Well-
one is the most interesting. Right? I don't know.
Yeah,
but
Albert,
probably
I don't-
taste is. I don't know.
I don't
You didn't like most of them.
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah,
know
you're
what
a
got-
fucking piece of shit.
That's
I
not my
like the
fault.
potato
Well,
one.
oh, first of all, Albert's smiling behind the camera. I don't like what this.
Well,
guy
I don't like
wore.
when you smile and
as
you
a
rub your
thank
hands together.
you for trying all the Kit Kats.
I swear to God,
we
he shit one more fucking kick.
do have 2 more items for you to try. They're not Kit
Are they
Kats.
Taco
Oh, really?
They're
Taco
not
Bell?
Kit Kats. No, it's not chocolate.
Taco Bell?
The first object is
Object.
these egg roll
Egg rolls?
cookie stick things.
They kind of look a little uncooked.
You first.
No.
I like egg rolls
we'll
at
go-
Yeah,
the
egg rolls
Chinese
are good.
restaurant.
You know, let's go with the.
In order?
We'll
I'm
go
gonna
with,
go with the shortest one. They're all pretty much the same.
no,
Oh
and
my
then-
God, this.
And then we can, the host. Go
Those are
ahead.
cheese.
Go ahead, hosty.
Holy shit, that smells really.
And then
Smells
you,
like
because
cheese.
you're so confident. Go ahead and pick one.
What the fuck is wrong
It
with
smells
you?
like expired vanilla wafers.
No, you know what it smells like? Expired, like the cheese
I
crackers.
don't even have one. I want.
Yeah.
You know the
Oh,
cheese and
okay.
crackers, like little Ritz
Oh,
like things.
God.
They smell like it's expired cheese and crackers.
Yeah.
I don't even like the smell.
You guys grab one, please. Just wait. He's already eating it. We're doing that already.
He's up.
I like the eye twitch and the vein sticking out. That means it's bad.
I mean, he took
You
it out.
take. Just think it's cheese. Just think it's cheese.
It's not a cheesy roll up.
You know, I don't taste whatever smells bad in there.
Oh, I'm eating it. I'm eating it. Oh,
I taste mostly the wafer.
delicious.
I don't.
Overall, I think it sucks.
Was there no frap?
I really
How
thought
about
you
you
were
actually eat it, Christian?
fucking me.
You know, actually, unpopular opinion, like it smells horrible.
It smells terrible.
It doesn't
But it's
taste.
not as bad as
The
it smells.
taste is not bad.
Still don't
I
like
like how
it.
everyone's looking at me for my reaction.
I want to know your reaction. I feel like you've been. It's not bad. It's really. It smells bad, but it tastes pretty
I'll
good.
say this. It's not fruity. And it's not Kit Kat, so
That's also
I'll just have one. I'll pass it, but
yeah, it's not.
maybe that's because I'm not getting enough of the yolk.
I was expecting.
Don't mention yolk when I'm-
God damn it! Why did you? You didn't have to do that.
I'm sorry, when you space?
So
Why
who
don't you
actually?
eat it?
I'm short of breath.
Not being a
can't-
goddamn.
No, like really, like I'm like. I don't like it.
No.
Alright,
That-
I'm done with it.
I think we're
No,
I'm
gonna
not gonna have more than one, but it's just like.
The wafer's fine, and then you get to whatever's in the middle.
the yolk.
I prefer
It looks like rich cheese.
I prefer the ones that have
Otherwise, that looks
chocolate
like-
inside instead of egg, but
Looks
Like I
sweating
said,
Japan.
it smells bad. I think it tastes good though. But
Overall, 8 out of 10 IGN.
what I heard is never judge a book by its cover. So
Yeah, but if you ever find omelet flavored ice cream in Japan,
yeah, I did.
No.
You?
Yeah,
What?
that's a thing.
yeah it was gross.
And just like
You
that,
tried
I
it?
may not want to go to Japan anymore because I'm scared of
Alright.
what I'm gonna eat.
Gross.
The second thing
Is
that
there
we
regular
have,
food in Japan?
No,
no, there really
not
isn't.
really. It
second
really.
thing we have for you to try is some nice Coca-Cola apple.
What the fuck is with the fruit,
Yes,
bro?
it's soda! Finally. God fucking damn it.
Well, can you like?
Oh, shit. Okay.
Oh, this is why
I
you don't
should
open
shut
it.
up.
Can you pour for the whole shit? You know, you that brought us all together for this.
Well, me and Albert have our bartending license, so...
Yeah, a little bit, dude. What the hell are you trying to?
I'm just gonna... I'll give you
It's, Albert, are you going to join us in this drink?
Yeah, Albert, I think you should join us.
Give him the
I'll
He's
have
bottle.
gonna,
whatever's
he's
left.
gonna get the bottle here.
Yeah, I would just have the bottle. I mean, Albert, you like
We
this
only,
stuff. Yeah, you've enjoyed it.
mix and match.
What do you mean mix and match?
Mix and match.
Oh, whatever. Well,
Alright,
cheers,
boys.
guys.
Cheers.
That actually, cheers. That actually smells really good.
It means Coke.
Yeah, but
Hmm.
it has a weird. I mean, it's odd taste.
Well,
I
it
wouldn't-
takes away from the sugar.
Yeah, I wouldn't. It's like the opposite. It smells good and it tastes like It's like
I
the
just-
opposite with that egg roll thing over there.
It's not bad 'cause it's Coke, but it's just like it's another thing of fruit.
Yeah.
It's like Coke minus the sugar and preservatives that make it good.
I mean, it's not no cherry Coke. I mean,
I'm thirsty, so I'm
wait,
gonna
but
drink the
this
rest
is
of it.
only
you know.
located in Japan, right?
Yes, this was a limited edition flavor that only released in Japan.
What else? Any other weird flavors of Coke?
Oh no, we're not doing a Coke testing flavor.
No.
No, but
No,
there's,
I was just asking.
there was a grape flavor Mountain Dew.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I saw it there.
They actually just released it on FYE. You can buy it there.
Don't you look at me.
Ed, we got your next video idea.
Next time we try all the flavors of Pringles.
I'm out.
Guys? We're done, right? Guys? We're in Rome, right? This is raspberry. Oh, wow. Let's go. Everyone gone? I guess, I mean, guess we're good here, right?
Hey guys, thanks for watching. We had a lot of fun making these Kit Kat videos. If you haven't seen the others, you can check out parts 1 and 2 here. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to be updated for more content like this. That's all for now. See you next time.